Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So now we can see that this feature is activated successfully, and if you want to turn it off, we should launch the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner and go to the settings section. After that tap here to the voice and click to the voice match. Now just to turn off the Hey Google feature, we should click here once on this feature and then confirm our changes by click to OK. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.